Why programmers use classes. Beginner level. Introduction. As programs grow larger, managing code becomes more difficult. Programmers need ways to organize data and behavior in a structured way. This is where classes become useful. Classes are a core concept in object-oriented programming, OOP, and are used in many programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, C#, Kotlin. Classes allow programmers to group data and functions together into a single structure. This makes programs easier to understand, easier to maintain, easier to reuse. Understanding why programmers use classes helps beginners learn how large software systems are built. What is a class? A class is a blueprint used to create objects. In simple words, class equals a template used to create objects with properties and behaviors. A class usually contains properties, variables, information about the object, methods, functions, actions the object can perform. Simple example, Python. Example class. Class car. Brand equals. Speed equals 0. This class defines a car blueprint. Now we can create objects. Car1 equals car. Car1. Brand equals Toyota. Car1. Speed equals 120. Print. Car1. Brand. Output. Toyota. The class helps organize the car's information. Problem without classes. Without classes, programmers might store data like this. Car1 underscore brand equals Toyota. Car1 underscore speed equals 120. Car2 underscore brand equals Honda. Car2 underscore speed equals 100. As the program grows, this approach becomes messy and difficult to manage. Classes solve this problem by grouping related data together. Benefit 1. Organizing code. Classes help keep related information together. Example. Class student. Name equals. Grade equals. Instead of many separate variables, everything related to a student is inside the class. This makes code easier to read and maintain. Benefit 2. Reusability. Classes allow programmers to reuse code. Example. Class dog. Def bark. Self. Print. Woof. Now multiple dogs can use the same class. Dog1 equals dog. Dog2 equals dog. Dog1. Bark. Dog2. Bark. The same logic works for many objects. Benefit 3. Modeling real-world objects. Classes help programmers represent real-world things in code. Examples of classes: car, bank account, user, product, student. Each class represents an entity with properties and actions. Example: class bank account, def deposit, self, amount, print, deposited, quote, amount. This models a real bank account. Benefit 4. Reducing duplicate code. Without classes, code often repeats. Example: print, student, quote, student1 underscore name, print, student, quote, student2 underscore name. With classes, class student, def show, self, print, student, quote, self.name. The same method works for many students. This reduces repeated code. Benefit 5. Easier maintenance. Large programs change frequently. Classes make it easier to update code. Example: if the student system changes, programmers modify the student class instead of many separate variables. This saves time and reduces errors. Example: simple class with method. Example: class person. Def underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Self. Name. Self.name equals name. Def say underscore hello. Self. Print. Hello. My name is. Self.name. Person1 equals person. Alice. Person1.say underscore hello. Output. Hello. My name is Alice. The class stores information and performs actions. Real-life analogy. Classes are like blueprints used to build houses. Example. Blueprint means defined structure of the house. Actual houses means built from the blueprint. So, class means blueprint. Object means real item created from the blueprint. Many objects can be created from the same class. Where classes are used. Classes are used in almost every large program. Examples include web applications, mobile apps, game development, enterprise software, artificial intelligence systems. Large software systems may contain hundreds or thousands of classes. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners sometimes make mistakes with classes. Cross-mark creating too many unrelated classes. Classes should represent logical entities. Cross-mark putting all code in one class. Large programs should be divided into multiple classes. Cross-mark confusing classes and objects. Remember, class means blueprint. Object means instance created from blueprint. Concepts learned from classes. Understanding classes helps beginners learn. Checkmark object-oriented programming. Checkmark code organization. Checkmark data modeling. Checkmark software design. Classes are a fundamental building block of modern programming. Simple definition. Class. A blueprint used to create objects that contain data and behavior. Final summary. Programmers use classes to organize code and represent real-world entities in software. Classes help programs organize related data, reuse code, reduce duplication, simplify large systems. By using classes, developers can build programs that are easier to maintain and scale. Understanding classes is an important step toward mastering object-oriented programming.